Hello everyone, welcome to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Kieran and I'll be your instructor for today. In today's episode, we're going to dive into Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint, which we think is a great tool that can revolutionize the way slide decks are created or summarized when it's fully developed. At the end of this episode, you should be able to use Copilot in PowerPoint to make a slide deck in under 5 minutes. Now, we all have had to create a slide deck at some point in our lives that took a long time due to the amount of effort needed to type in all of the information and finding nice pictures that look professional to show others. It's safe to say we can start waving those days goodbye with the new capabilities of chatbots. So let's get right into some examples in Copilot. On the right, we have a few options for you to select to either create something from scratch or summarize an existing slideshow. For the purpose of this first example, I'm going to prompt Copilot to create a slide deck that has 10 slides on the evolution of AI in business. Let's give it some time and let's take a look. And there we go, Copilot creates the slide deck. A really nice feature of this tool is that I can add videos and graphics while even generating speaker notes with every single slide. This slide deck can now be tailored to your liking by prompting Copilot. For example, if I wanted to change a picture, I would say, change the picture on slide 3 to more professional aesthetic for a board meeting. And there you have it. It immediately makes the change for you. As you can see, in under 2 minutes, we just created a slide deck framework that would take so much more time normally. We aren't done yet though. Copilot can do even more in PowerPoint. So now let's say we have an existing PowerPoint like this one and we need to summarize it to allow us to understand the information without having to read it all. We can prompt Copilot and tell it to summarize the slide deck. And as you can see, it does that for us for quick information scraping. This function can be applied in many businesses that need to review large presentations and understand key topics. Another feature that is in development is the ability to upload a Word file and Copilot will be able to create a PowerPoint from it. I spoke to the Microsoft support team the other day and they told me that this feature will be available soon, but they're working on correcting some errors currently, so that is something that we will definitely be looking out for within these next couple of weeks. There are a lot more functions in Copilot that can improve productivity for many jobs and companies that can't even fit in this video. But if you're interested in this chatbot and have questions, feel free to comment below and we will answer as soon as we can. We also attached the link to sign into your Microsoft account if you're interested in purchasing Copilot. It is to be noted that the prices vary with your Microsoft plan. With that being said, we hope you enjoyed this video and recommend you giving it a try and practice using this tool so it makes you more efficient in your personal or professional life. In the next video, we're going to continue expanding on chatbots and exploring their uses. See you next time.